Check this out. Shout out to Market with TDB. They got all your net solutions. Just come and see. Come get your tools. Come get results. Cause we ain't no fools. We do it big like Disney Mr. Walt. So listen to me and you're gonna get paid. You will be impressed by the statements I made. The affiliate program is here for you. And no need to look for the experts. They're right here too. They're there to do your online marketing. They do it so good that you're gonna wanna sing. So check them out, cause they got your back. These guys make the other guys look hella whack. Yup, this the real deal, so come cop a feel. Cause if you wanna go and get it on, then head to marketwithtdb.com. Oh yeah.